Okay, the next trick we're going to be working on today is called Milk the Cow. Funny name, but it's kind of the motion you make. It's actually 2 hop the fences, one with both hands. So get hop the fence down with your throw hand, your normal throw hand. Then move on to your non-dominant hand. Get a strong hop the fence down, just like that. And then once again, just like 2-handed loops. I found when I first started this trick, it was a little bit easier to do them simultaneously, just like that. And that over time, it's actually easier to control them if you do them at different times, just like that. This is Milk the Cow. At a contest, they'll look for, between 3 to 10 of these with each hand. You'll notice I'll have to stop halfway through and do my sidewinder to make sure that my strings are the right tension, because that's important, because as they get too tight or too loose, I won't be able to control the yo-yos as well. So practice this, just like 2-handed loops. It's going to take a lot of time, a lot of practice to get your brain to be able to do this with both hands. Just takes time though, and you'll be able to milk the cow.